Hi guys, we're back and back with a bang. Presenting you the player kit bag. This is Hardik's kit bag to be precise, and we were after SG from months to get this for you, and here it is, and we're glad to launch it in front of you, first in the world again. And again, as far as we know, this bag was again developed for Hardik with his inputs. So we'll just take you through the kit bag, and it's a wonderful, beautiful kit bag. I'll show you the detail of the stuff also, but first let me just show you the stuff it can hold, and it can actually hold all the things in the world. It is such a huge kit bag. I'll show you the back pocket first. There's this back pocket on the top of the bag. So this is a full size trolley. It can hold up to 3 of your bats, and this is the best protection for bats I've ever seen on a kit bag. Just look at the stuff and quality here, the padding and protection here. So this is very premium, really safe. Your bats in your airport transfer, and you know the airport guys when they just throw your luggage here and there. Also to mention are these new player bats. These are also special bats which we've received today. We'll be reviewing these also very soon. These are very nice bats. So 3 of these bats this bag can hold. So this is your bat pocket. Next in here is your shoe pocket. I'll show you that. So this is a pair of shoes here. It can again easily hold another pair of shoes as well. So this is the shoe pocket. Now I'll show you the main compartment. In the main compartment also, if you see here, there are 2 zips. I'll just show you both of them. This is the top zip, and this is the main compartment. I'll show you that. So now this is the stuff. It has been stacked up to the limit. This is the wicket keeping leg guard. We've put in 1 pair of that. Your helmet is here. We've added 4 pair of batting gloves for you. That is almost what a player carries, we assume. So this is 4 pair of your batting gloves. Your batting leg guards is here. You have your thigh pad here. You have a foam roller here, which almost all the players carry as a fitness accessory, and you have your wicket keeping gloves. So this is everything what a player looks for that this bag can carry. Also, if this space is not enough for you, you can also increase the size of this bag by opening this second zip which it has. I'll just show you that as well. So when you open up this zip along, the size of the bag, you can just pull it off, and then you know it is an even bigger bag, and you can stack up even more. So this is the main compartment, guys, and then I'll show you the accessory pockets it has got. There are 2 accessory pockets on this side, and then there's this 1 accessory pocket here. You can put up all the accessory you wish to. We've just put in a pair of socks here and grip tech. Again, this is what Hardik uses. Both he uses a true socks, and he again uses that grip tech also. So there are again these 2 side pockets on both the sides. Now coming to the quality, this is again I told you is inputs from Hardik itself. You have that HP logo which he uses. Very minimalistic design. The color is also very nice. The blue is looking really good. Check out the size. Very important about these kit bag are the wheels, and these are again one of the best wheels we've seen. These are 3 of them, huge tractor wheels. If you see the size also, this is again huge. There's enough protection here. This is a padded handle here, completely padded. It's all padded. Again, I'll show you something very small parts. Even if you see the accessory pocket we have here, so even this pocket is very well padded here. So every pocket is padded. The color looks good. Very minimalistic design. Believe become the SG tagline is here at the top, and on the sides is the HP logo and an SG logo in gold. So this is it, guys. This is the bag. You have the SG logo and HP logo on both the sides. So this is it, guys. This is the bag, Hardik Pandya player bag. This is up for grab. We're shipping worldwide. Thanks and cheers.